Windows applications. There are many of them, but only a few can boost your productivity. Top apps to make your PC a beast. 1. Flow Launcher, aka Spotlight. Now, what this app lets you do is add a Spotlight-like feature to your Windows machine. You can calculate stuff, search for files, and even Google stuff. Number 2. Power Toys. Now with this app, you can add a bunch of powerful features to your computer. You can toggle them on and off as per your needs. Number 3. Notepad, with an S. So, this is just a prettier version of the default Notepad on Windows. You can even customize it to look transparent. By the way, this is just the Microsoft Store page. Number 4. ShareX. This app lets you take professional screenshots, nothing more, nothing less. Actually, this has a bunch of features. 5 Obsidian. This app lets you take professional notes. It's the note-taking app I use. Number 6. PDF Gear. So apparently Windows doesn't have a PDF viewer app. And yes, browsers do the job, but that's not the way. So this is the go-to app.